Hi, my name is Greg. I'm at the Sydney Home Show. I wanted to show you around our stand, House of Bamboo. Come with us and let's have a look. So we've got some really interesting products in House of Bamboo. Anything from our black nature reed and black bamboo screening, which is really modern and interesting. And then going into more some nature reeds, which is over here. And a great option for fencing, pool compliant, with stainless steel binding, so it's not going to rust. Then we're going to go into some really interesting modern concepts, our Symphony and our Sea Change range. This is a fantastic product, whether it's cladding, either around a pool, around a balcony, indoors or outdoors. This is a natural product, so it does need a little bit of care. So like any timber, needs some oiling, depends on where it is located. House of Bamboo has been around for over 40 years, so it's an Australian product. This is one of my favourite ones called the Cottesloe range. As you can see, it's slanted, gives you air through it, but obviously privacy as well. We've also got some really interesting screening, or I should say, not screening, but ideas for shading as well. So we can custom make any of our products. We've got a warehouse showroom located in Botany, but also, we're here at the Home Show. We'd love to see you come down. It's a really interesting stand. Come and talk to us, and we can either getting a costing to you or some brochures, take photos, and we can custom make. So if you've got a project which you're not sure what to do, come and chat to us. We've got a team of people here ready to talk. We've also got a showroom located in Botany, just near the airport. So come in, House of Bamboo, come and meet the team, and talks about your ideas, whether it's something, a home renovation or something for the office. We've got some solutions which be great to hear about.